Hello African gold growers, how are you today? Welcome to a new video. Today I come to tell you something. Productivity is killing your business in Africa. One of the main lessons that I can share with you as an entrepreneur and that I have heard over and over again from different entrepreneurs and mentors is focus on one single thing at a time. A bird on hand is better than 100 of flies. That's a fact. In modern society, with technology, the internet, and the influence of Western culture, we believe or we think that we should be running, doing things all the time, and this is simply not true. You must learn to focus on one priority thing at a time. Here the trick is to identify which task is essential to trigger a series of effects, as if it were a round of dominoes. What activity is going to bring you the most imminent progress in your project? Try to identify it. Perhaps it is visiting prospective clients, but perhaps first you need to have a product to offer. Or before you need to identify who is your client and what need you want to solve to create a product. Identify that priority task and focus all your time and resources and energy on finishing it. Once you have finished it, continue to the next one. And again, focus on a single task every time. With perseverance, you will gradually see how your progress is much more solid than that of those who want to do 20 things at the same time. Partly because by wanting to do many things, you cannot do any of them well. But partly because the brain is so exhausted and lost a lot of energy, it cannot think with clarity. You will lose a lot of opportunities, you will lose a lot of energy. And life is quite challenging, and more in the environment like Africa, as for ourselves to generate more wear and more stress. In real life, it's very difficult to focus exclusively on one single task, and I understand. But what I want you to understand is, although you might have to do more things, prioritize, have an agenda, and eliminate as many non-essential activities as you can. And of those that you will carry out, focus the greatest amount of time and resources and priority on one single activity. Personally, I prefer to divide my schedule into 3 main activities per day. 3 that at the end of the day I know will make a difference to continue advancing in my project. So if you really want to succeed, really want to bring progress to your community, and really want to grow gold in Africa, focus on one single thing. And remember, we grow gold in Africa. Bye bye.